Welcome to Idle Memory, your one-stop shop for promotional tech products. For the month of April, we're going to be showcasing how to use our products to make a perfect virtual Zoom meeting or virtual webinar.
We have various tripods for all of your smart devices, as well as other products to enhance the quality of your video meetings.
The first product that I'm going to show you is our Zoom Screen Magnifier. It uses a Fresnel lens in the front to magnify the device behind it. As you can see right here, there's a stand, and you can put an iPad or an iPhone. Any tablet would work, any smartphone would work. And then the Fresnel lens will actually magnify what's on the screen, like so. As you can see, it is magnifying the lens. And although you probably won't see it that well, there's a certain angle, which is front view, to be able to actually see the device properly. And then it's very portable. All you have to do is put down the back stand, slide the screen inside, and you can carry it wherever you go. You can use this for watching movies, playing games on your smartphone, or even virtual webinars. The second product, which I think would go perfectly with the Zoom Screen Magnifier, is our Selfie Ring Light. You can put this on your phone with this clip right here. It can clip onto any smart device. You can also clip it onto your smartphone while you're in a Zoom meeting, or even your laptop's computer camera. All you have to do is press this button right here, and there's 3 different brightness modes: the lowest, medium, and high, and it can actually enhance the quality of your Zoom videos. The way the Selfie Light is designed, it uses a clip method to clip onto your smart device, like so. Turn on the light, and it'll work, like that. You can put this on your iPad. You can even put this on your laptop's camera.
Our standing tripod has 4 levels just by twisting it and tightening it, and it can even reach up to about 5 feet. Our next product is our selfie stick tripod. All you have to do is close the legs to create the handle, extend it, and use it like any other selfie stick. Or you can use it like a normal tripod. Just open up the legs, set it on the table, and you can use our included remote to take photos wirelessly via Bluetooth. If you're not interested in the height of the standing tripod or the features of the selfie stick tripod, then this is the perfect one for you. This is our desktop tripod. Its simplistic design allows for easy setup. All you have to do is open the legs to set it up onto your table and slip your phone right into the slot here. And it even includes a ball and joint mechanism here. If you pull on this lever, it allows you to adjust the angle of your phone.
The last product I want to share with you guys is the Solstice Bluetooth speaker. Simply connect to your device via Bluetooth and it can play anything wirelessly. The exterior of the speaker is made with a stainless steel, so it has a nice weight to it and also a solid construction. Plus, the speaker is water resistant, so you can really take this anywhere. For virtual meetings using a laptop, all you need is the Selfie Light right here. Just go ahead and turn that on, put it over the webcam, connect the speaker via Bluetooth if your laptop does have Bluetooth capabilities, and you're ready to go. Just like that. If you'd rather use your cell phone for your virtual meetings, you just need the desk tripod, the Bluetooth speaker, and the ring light. Or if you don't like the tripod, you can use the screen magnifier. Simply take your smartphone, connect it to the desk tripod, use a selfie light, connect it to your smartphone, and your speaker connected via Bluetooth, and you're all set up for a professional virtual meeting. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to use the screen magnifier instead of the tripod. Simply put it right here, use the speaker, and you're all set. The screen magnifier is more for an attendee versus a host who has their camera on. Because it is a screen magnifier, the camera won't work really well through the Fresnel lens.
These are just some of the products that we recommend to create the perfect virtual meeting, but we also offer a ton of other products that can do just as good. To check out more items like this, visit idlememory.com, and for all questions and inquiries, please contact us at sales@idlememory.com.
See you guys next month.